What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell another friend and tell a mama and yum, because we lady over here. Without further ado, y'all, I done made an order. When did I make this? I don't remember when I made this. When did I make this order? I know it was before March because I'm currently on a no-buy March month situation. So I had to do this like in January, February, and of course it's from the DH, because when I felt it, I knew exactly what it was. So hopefully it looked like its pictures. Yeah, I mean, I'm into like fluffy stuff like pillows, throw blankets. I love throw covers and blankets and stuff. And y'all, I just had to get this. Y'all know I've been on this MCM type situation. Y'all, it's the MCM. Oh, it's a piece of child. I thought it was something. It's a piece of land. I was like, oh no. It's the MCM throw blanket. I think it said it's, what is it? I'll put the measurements up here and then I'll probably try to take a photo of me holding it, because it says it's pretty long and y'all know I'm 5'10". Let me see, we got it on here. Okay, so it's 150 centimeters by 200 centimeters. So I'll take a picture by it and show y'all how big it is. But y'all, this was like, ooh, it wasn't over $30. It definitely wasn't. They had different ones. They had like, oh, and it's so soft. They had like LV ones, Fendi ones, Hermes ones. Yeah, they had different kind of color patterns, but they had this one, the MCM one, and I wanted this, and it's so cute, y'all. Like, it's so fluffy. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and unbox this. I know this is pretty short, but I just wanted to open it because I was being thirsty. And y'all, just feels like butter. But yeah, this is so cute. So I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna insert a picture somewhere. Y'all ain't gonna see my face because I got on a scarf. I got my pajama jams, so I'm definitely gonna be hiding my face. Definitely. But yeah, y'all know I can't link this stuff down below, but you know, hit your girl up. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and y'all better go get y'all one of these. It ain't a chicken salad, it's a fleece blanket. It feels so good, y'all. I can't wait till I wash this. And then I'm gonna probably try to, since it's starting to get, well, it just snowed, so you know, once the weather starts changing, usually I like to change my bedding. So I might try to find like an orange or black type of bedding that's like a solid color, and then use this as a throw. Child, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Or even like this brown. This brown is giving me like corduroy brown. Even something like this would definitely be cute. But I don't know, I might, you know, play with the colors a little bit. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.